Look, this Centipede, guys.
You're trying to prank me. Bye, Moon. Umorong sa lulu melang. Ay, ay, umosu karaki lai wajo. See this back-to-back technique. No, Aussie, you get up. I'm bigger than you.
Just level up. Just level up. Level up. Level up. What's up, guys? It's Saturday morning and I found this cool one down here.
You're trying to prank me.
Look, this Centipede, guys. Yeah, Dad got bitten by this Centipede. Looks so big. And now I'm gonna prank Victoria for this one. Hey!
Don't, Siaosi. She didn't even care. Mega ayo pamai pu. Ya kolo. I can't see them. No, just put it there. They're gonna see it.
Oh, yeah.
So ya basing ele fe ya.
Morning.
Morning. Huh?
What's that?
Look at this one. No, I want to get. Okay, let's go feed it to the chickens because no one got scared from it. Well, they didn't want it.
No, let it go.
Hey, Foster. Hey, Foster. Come. We're going the back way to town through Alisa. But we're going through Ngufwali. I've never been this way.
Ya fai e o lo la fanga le maro fi ama. Lo kwali
Yan ko yukara wa yai. Awala den me okken fai pura iyo le omora wal.
Vai uma pikilo na ko.
Ya.
Pakilo misi. Le ma fanga abe isia. Le me ora ba nga chaka ko fo ya yambo ko ba. Popo ar fai. Isi ainga mo fai ainga isi ainga. Ai fai la e so ainga nge ore yambo.
Ya lo fa mai.
Ya. Ba le lave o ka ko au wala ile o le lei. Te longa fo yo ke me palo ko. Yang fa le lei fo do au wala ko na ki palo. Ya, ko le ko vai me. Ya. Ele mo wa o ko fa fo. Nga au wala nge ya me tu ile au wala ko. Ai mo wala ko Samoa. Ako ile kele le kuenga. Ya ko kilo mai. Ya kuenga. Ya yuka. Ya paadle mangwarani. Kala le mangwarani.
Ya hindi ngal la.
Angai manu kulo.
Frogs or frog.
Oh, frog.
Yeah.
Fog.
Yeah.
I don't know why it took us so long to. Angai
Mai la ile wala le. O I kom wala sa ya ile kinga kele a. Le kinga fa ya Australia ya so ya.
Ya.
Me agora. Le o fa ya pa po bia. O inga le ko fo le ya ko no so mo ko do. Ne per fa fo ne. Fa ile me Afrika. Ya. O gay ko me fa ya. Ya. Ya ba ko bo mai ko fa sko ka. Na o ka le ya le sa la. Mal be akor dai. Yo vai per fare lo chiedere qui.
Ma kau papong kalung fat.
Ai fa ngau da ai ko. Yo mai ile gai.
Ayuno.
Ai ko maro fa
Ayuno.
Maro le o mo ni usko iga maro ga ngoro la. O lalo awa. Lalo ko ba o ka o koi ka vai ka bar ki aka. Maro la ka yo mai ile gai. Ya lebo kuwari kangi. Wah.
Oh, masuk kan.
Ada water supply. Berapa umur ada kemaru? Aku lupa orang sana umur apa umur.
Oh,
Bye dah ikut.
ba kau pakai nginga berpar ya. Umar lo papenan mata di video. Mar foto angare yang isa. Na ya tele le urba.
Look at all those taros. Can you guys see it?
Ya.
Oh, ba funny.
That is a nice house.
Ya.
Ya. Apa dia? Ya. Jangan kau yang dia ni, orang kampung dia construction. Ya. Jadi kau apa? Kene kampung ngadu ngak? Nga de orang mere, de lau aku fale de visi mama, fale koi lo lima. Ya lele mama singi. Ya, ya kong wo mai.
Ya, kolnya.
Vai masingi malo ni ko inga ma. Fale mo lunga ni. Wow dia. Alo dia fa ya. Alo fa ke pulang ikan ni.
Oh, baik dari ke pula ke itu. Mai dah ada lagi.
Kimasang itu.
Aku masang ni ada. Ada masang ni orang sak. Malu orang ada ke video.
Wow, yo ko ision. Ai ya fa mo mangas.
Even the girls are doing the plantation. Kalau fly. Look at the girls out there. Muring kamar ay.
Ma ngai yo fo ngari đâu vậy. Là qua quay pi kan. Yo I cho ai bắt to lo ha benon ma to wo me ya. To ma benon sila fie nai. Ya ko ai mako ya. Ko me la ko ai mako ya le fire station ne. Benon ma to I to a mua. Oi sigo. For sure. Bạn giờ Livingstone này đó, Livingstone. Còn phải bồi bông ăn mấy phải mấy.
Singa la ning ka abi ai mo bet singa ning ba kut ka. De kama.
That's
Yeah, Lisa Stores, like your Kaido, Hoko Yai. Rolly Silver Transport, Samoa Commercial Bank.
And Molly girl, happy birthday, Molly.
Uber. Yeah, but for the road, Lisa Stores,
Ai ka mo tu ka.
CCK Tele. I may pakai saja.
If we're in there, okay, you put in our camera. Ya makau Siaosi aku ya kem. There you go. This is the Frankie Mall. Back here at Fungalei Marketi. Huh? Look at all these fresh fruit, people. Very yummy. Ooh, I love me some essie. Some banana chips, mangoes, essie. I don't know what that is. Mangoes, essie, more essie, essie, pumpkin. Very manaya. Ole. Oh no, thank you. What's that in what's that in English? These things. What are these? Sea urchins. I think they're sea urchins. Or what's that thing called, like kana or kiwi? Kini. Huh? Shell. Look, they got a domestic violence quote up there. Well, like, you know, it's not a domestic violence quote, but it says Elisa Wale Alofa. It means love is not mean, or love does not hurt. As in, you don't get beat up if they love you. That's good. Good on Samoa. Domestic violence awareness. That's Fungalei's new food court. That is Fungalei's new food court. Can't really see, but Fio's barbecue is somewhere in there. This is the result of an unair-conned face. Still pretty. You've hardly seen us together. Why am I lucky? No,
what's up, guys? It's so dark.
Eva Maya, Eva, Eva Maya, Eva il musica, Lea Uamanaya. Eva Maya, Eva, Eva Maya, Eva il musica, Lea Uamanaya.
Please on the track, nigga.
Mama ya fika ma efese mai. Duele musica Lea Uaonge mai. Lima fika ma esiva mai. Allah etaita asiva siva mai.
Guys, we're still here in Lutuano. Try me. Hope you guys enjoy and what watch. If this is your village here in this vlog, comment down below and say this is my village. See you guys soon.
Afa pia la apa o ko e ponga e alu le sami. E kilo ai. E kanga a faki mai ngalu e faki singa. E nga e manga kua lea. O lea ua rofa inga ka ika ara o ke ola. Ya, a faki mai ngalu faki koku. Ya, ka e loa lea. O malolo. O oki.
Alusina. Welcome to Alusina village. Ya, tak boleh apa pernah cewek ini palung ya, apa pernah na ye palung hidung orang wingar tak boleh palung.
Ini memang mau fora kabar ko yo ki bar fasal lam.
Orang batu follow tu penjual pasir dia anu filofi. Biarlah bawa oleh masa yang itu pasir dia anu filofi ya, pasir tu lama dia.
Ya, bye.
Salinas. Pero hoy salinas.
Okay guys, we just got home from that big trip around. I am so tired. We were actually meant to go to Savai today to see Ossi's family, but I don't know. He said just to go tomorrow because my parents are going tomorrow. We're actually going to Savai to do my grandpa on my mum's side's gravestone. Well, not the headstone, you know, not that stuff, but like tidy it up, retile it and all of that stuff. And we'll be busy in Savai doing that. So I really wanted to go today so that we could spend some time with Ossi's family, because we'll be busy doing that while we're there. And obviously Ossi will have to help out. But Siaosi said just to go tomorrow. We're gonna go tomorrow. I'm so tired. And I was so hot, like we did not turn the aircon on in the car all day. And I was just sweating. And now I'm chilling in this aircon, it's so nice. So it's the evening of, so hot, well, kind of. Ossi's out here cutting hair. Ossi thinks he's a barber, I swear. There's Misty. Phải sâu ca là, phải sâu ca là. Rồi. Gì ấy? Để cậu vẫn phải sâu ca là. Sợ mang ấy.
Cái là Misty ca là. Misty phải ca là. Bây giờ ơi ca là ngay kia tuổi là một cân. Nó phải có độ có màu gì. Shoot. Basta color TV. Comment there.
Yeah, guys. Today I'm gonna do the fake zero fake to David's hair. Now it's looking good.
Now it's looking good.
Yeah. Ako may iyamune. Salure lapis. Vai mun. Umoronga saluro meleng. Ayala ay umosu kalakira waijo. Vai su kalaki manga yale we mawele sneaker, male twiki. Ah, ma isi mea. It's always so humbling to come back here, you know what I mean? My hair's a bit everywhere. It's always pretty humbling to come back here and see the way that they live life. I did see a few comments that everyone was saying like your family's actually well off. Well, yeah, they may be well off, but that's just in assets. Like financially, people are not well off. The houses are there because of the people who live out, who are able to provide and build these things. But if you look at it from a financial perspective, many people don't have jobs here, and it's hard to find jobs if you didn't go to school, and you need money to go to school, you know? So although we may be well off asset wise, a lot of people are actually not well off financially, if that makes sense. This is like our backyard. I didn't really show you this part. Oh, la me asingo. Kulo. May isang kulo. Merkama i. Maiya, si email kama. We waited at I see about my TV. Hello, Dua. Let's turn the lighting up. That's why it looks so dark. Hello, Dua. Apa show aku? Hello, Dua.
Ese. Atua. 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 Apa ya?
Oida.
Emma.
Ilo mayama.
Yale.
Kiede, oida.
Utanga.
Oida.
Mayama. Yama.
Oida.
Usanga.
Oida.
Tua.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Amma, sốt phong ngọ. Sốt phong ngọ. Sốt phong ngọ. Ăn sốt phong ngọ là gì?
Hả?
Con nghe cô đa à?
Ai mày?
Awa, sao vậy mày y? Ya, ôi sốt phong ngọ pa e pipi.
Ui lu ai ale mai la kamera la ka tu la ka ta ku la ke la ka na ka oi mai e se e. Tuoya.
Ala mai kama. What is up, guys?
What's up? What's up?
We're on our way to Siosi's family's house to see them. We leave in about 4 days, so it's really sad that we didn't get to spend much time with them. But before you jump on us, or on me, because everyone seems to think that I don't care about Siosi's family, we were very busy. I came for my grandmother's unveiling, that's why I didn't come together with Siaosi, and then we're going to Savai to do my grandpa, which was on my mum's side's headstone. Not headstone, gravestone. Just tiling it and cleaning it up. And so we couldn't really get an earlier va'a.
So today we're going to Savai, guys. Yeah, that's what I said before, guys. Yeah, I thought you like and enjoy this video because there's more video, guys, more and more videos. Yeah
guys, so we're just chilling out here in the nice shade, and we're waiting for a spot on the boat, the big ferry, because it's all fully booked out and only cars that are on standby can go. And this is how many cars are on standby. So we're number 12, the black X trail over there, and then my parents are over here, so I don't know if we're gonna get on. So we're sitting in the shade because it's too hot where the cars are. It's so nice. This is where we had our wedding photos, Aussie. It was like in front of one of these trees, or I think that one over there. Look how many cars are here. But these are all the cars that are on standby if there is enough space, because they literally leave like this much space between a car. And so if they squeeze enough in, then cars starting from over there will go first. Makeup tips 101. I got my bag here and I'm about to sprouse up my mama. Just a little something something. My parents left. I'm so sad about that. We already booked a ticket. I don't know if you guys can hear because of this window. We booked a ticket for tomorrow, so that's been confirmed. But Siaosi and I are hanging back to see if we can get through today on a standby. And I'm currently uploading a vlog, but I've only got 29% on my laptop, which isn't very good because I don't think I'm going to get this uploaded in 29 minutes. And we're using this back-to-back technique. No, Aussie, you get up. I look bigger than you. We're using this back-to-back technique. Using each other's weight to be comfortable and hold each other up. Oh, that is better, that lighting. The ferries don't run as often on Sunday as they do on the other days. Only one goes and comes, so it's the same boat that's going and picking people up and dropping them off again.
What's up, guys? It's Sunday and we didn't go to Survive because it's full. Yeah, but we're here in front of the Scoops ice cream. Yeah, we came here to eat some food and some ice cream, guys. Eat some food and some ice cream here in Scoops.
What is up, guys? So obviously, well, it's kind of not obvious because you can't see where we are, but we're at Scoops, like Siaosi said. We didn't get on the boat because there wasn't enough space for us. So I just want to say, like, what a waste of
time,
beauty. What a waste of cameras, right?
Yep. What a waste of my peel. Get ready for
your peel. Pew pew. We're at Scoops having lunch. I've never had lunch here. I've had ice cream and smoothies here before, but my sister Chrissy loves it here. See? Scoops. And I can't wait to eat the chicken and chips. Then we're gonna go home and get ready for Savati tomorrow. And then Siosi's gonna do the level up challenge for us. Aussie, can you just give us a little snippet, just a tiny bit?
Level up.
No, that's not a level up challenge. You gotta level up. You have to just
level up.
Keep going. You have to keep going, Aussie.
Just level up. Level up.
Can you stand up?
No.